Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two popular steam mops, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner and the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop. Let's find out which one is the best for your cleaning needs. Starting with price, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is priced at $119, making it a budget-friendly option for families looking to keep their homes clean without breaking the bank. Reviewers praise its affordability and effectiveness, noting how it has saved them time and effort in cleaning. In contrast, the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam comes in at a higher price of $159. While this may seem steep, many users highlight the added features and the satisfaction of supporting a brand that contributes to pet rescues. They feel that the extra cost is justified for the quality it delivers. When it comes to cleaning power, the Schenley Steam Mop is celebrated for its strong cleaning capabilities, effortlessly tackling dirt, stains, and grease. One reviewer mentioned that it cleaned their floors quickly and effectively, making it a favorite for those who want efficient cleaning. The BISSELL, however, stands out with its intelligent LED display that indicates when it's ready to use, which some users find incredibly convenient. Reviewers have praised its performance on various surfaces, including large porcelain tiles, making it a solid choice for different flooring types. In terms of features, the Schenley is a chemical-free option that heats up in just 15 seconds, which has impressed many users who appreciate its quick readiness. One happy customer mentioned how easy it was to set up and use, highlighting its versatility with multiple attachments. Meanwhile, the BISSELL boasts fingertip mode controls, allowing users to adjust steam levels without having to get up. Reviewers enjoy this convenience, especially those with mobility issues, as it makes cleaning less strenuous. Usability is another area where both mops shine. The Schenley is lightweight and features a 180-degree swivel, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. Users have noted how it feels comfortable to use for extended periods. However, the BISSELL has the advantage of a removable water tank, which reviewers find easy to fill and clean, eliminating the hassle of measuring. One reviewer mentioned how it left their floors spotless and dry quickly, showcasing its effectiveness. Finally, let's look at cleaning pads. The Schenley comes with 7-in-1 accessories, which many users find incredibly useful for various cleaning tasks. One reviewer even praised its effectiveness for both floors and windows. The BISSELL features washable microfiber pads that can be tossed in the washing machine, although some users have reported that they don't always come out completely clean. Despite this, many appreciate the ease of maintenance, as it saves time and effort in the long run. Overall, both the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner and the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop have garnered positive reviews, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The Schenley is favored for its affordability and effectiveness, while the BISSELL is appreciated for its premium features and convenience. So which steam mop will you choose? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with great performance, the Schenley Steam Mop might be for you. But if you prefer a more advanced model with added features, the BISSELL SpinWave is worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.